Hey traders, Daniel here with ImproveYourTrades.com, and today I'm going to show you how to find stocks with upcoming earnings. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. When I look for stocks with upcoming earnings, I like to use this free website called Finviz, finviz.com. Click on Screener. You have filters here in the middle and then your tickers over here at the bottom. What we're going to do is click All. And down here on the right it says earnings date, right? And then what we're going to do is in the next 5 days we're going to click that, and then we're going to look at snapshot, the snapshot tab here, and then you could hide filters, right? So this still shows you that the earnings are in the next 5 days, the next upcoming 5 days, which is 5 trading days. You could look here where it says earnings under each one. So June 8th, the A, you'll see an A or a B. A stands for after market close. B stands before market open, right? So if it says June 8th, A, that means the earnings is going to happen after the market closes on June 8th, you know? So you won't find out the earnings reports until basically the morning of June 9th, or how it affects the market, right? Or if you're looking at it in after hours trading, you could sometimes see that. So, but real quick, you know, here's ABM. The first one that pops up, June 8th, after market close, is today's the 4th, so in 4 days, and you could see, like, you know, what's going on, right? So the snapshot tab gives you some news. It gives you like what insider trading is going on and stuff like that. This one looks to be in a downtrend, you know, so does things match up with downtrend? It affirmed its dividend, you know, so it kind of tells you, you know, this one looks to be an uptrend, you know, what's going on, everyone's selling their stuff, you know, so there's a lot of things you get from this information. But again, that's just a real quick and easy way. Hopefully that helped you. Again, finviz.com, screener, click all, earnings date next 5 days, and hopefully that helps you. Please like the video and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.